Hi, I'm Dylan Stack, Technical Applications and Development Manager here at OHD. Today, I'm excited to share OHD's first ever CNC fit test machine. For decades, OHD has been a leader in fit test technology and innovation, and the launch of AeroFit continues our legacy as an industry leader. The AeroFit uses CNC technology, measuring particle concentration inside and outside the respirator to determine the fit factor. The AeroFit combines familiar features of traditional CNC fit testing with innovative, user-centric enhancements like particle generation management, respirator selection, a built-in color touchscreen, and an optional built-in battery. Now, let's explore some of the unique features that make the AeroFit system stand out. One of the most important aspects of running a CNC fit test instrument is managing the environment for testing. Particle management in fit testing environments has traditionally been the burden of the test administrator. Within the AeroFit, OHD has created a particle generation manager. The AeroFit introduces particles to the environment when necessary by controlling the particle generator to ensure a proper test environment. Traditional CNC fit testing has required the test administrator to pair their daily verification process with the type of respirator they were planning to test in that session. With the AeroFit, OHD created a selection criteria that directs the instrument to the appropriate internal functions and ensures the daily verification is completed for all necessary fit test applications, making operation easier for the test administrator. We've also included a built-in zero filter in the unit, removing the possibility of losing or damaging an essential accessory. Completing a fit test with the AeroFit is a simple process for both the test administrator and the test subject. The color touchscreen allows the administrator to easily select the test subject, and the Preloaded Respirator List makes respirator selection easy and efficient. Respirators are paired with the appropriate standard, and once the fit test is started, each exercise has written and visual instructions on the screen, and the progress of the fit test is represented in the right-hand side. Audible indicators will notify the test subject that the exercise has been completed, and the on-screen instructions will actually direct the subject to the next exercise. Once the fit test has been completed, the AeroFit uses the approved calculation method to determine the overall fit factor and notifies the user that they have passed or failed the fit test. Test records are saved within the unit by default and can be accessed at any time or sent to specific file locations or printers. Now, let's do a fit test. In this demonstration, we will be using the OSHA Fast Fit Test protocol for filtering facepiece respirators. It should be noted that as a CNC instrument, the AeroFit has the ability to fit test full and half face elastomerics along with filtering facepiece respirators such as N95s. Our test subject has been donning the respirator for 5 minutes and is ready to start the fit test. Using the color touchscreen, we can advance to the fit test. The first part of the fit test is the ambient sample. The ambient sample is imperative for us. We need to get an accurate ambient sample to be able to compare the in-mask sample to. During that ambient sample, there are written and visual instructions for the test subject right on the screen. Written instructions on the left, visual instructions on the right. Along the top is a progress bar. That progress bar gives the test subject a little bit of an idea of where they are in the test and when they can expect the next exercise to start. 2 breaths at the top of the exercise and 2 breaths at the bottom of the exercise are imperative to challenge the seal of the respirator. With this exercise complete, the next step in the exercise is the talking exercise. On the AeroFit, we provide the rainbow passage. The rainbow passage is the recommended passage per OSHA, but any talking will do for this step. During this step, you will notice that there's a progress bar that goes across the top of the screen. That progress bar is a visual indicator to the test subject of how much time they have before that step is completed. The third step is head side to side. The fit test subject will turn their head to the right and then to the left, taking 2 breaths at each extreme. The on-screen animation helps to direct the test subject on how to complete the exercise. The final step in the test is head up and down. The test subject raises their head up and then down, again taking 2 breaths at each extreme. Once this test is completed, the AeroFit takes one last ambient sample for its comparative analysis. The pass or fail result is displayed on the color touchscreen and is saved internally on the machine. Another unique feature of the AeroFit is the on-screen signature capture. These signatures are captured, held on the instrument, and included in all fit test reports. Thank you for joining us for this demo of the AeroFit. Visit us at ohdglobal.com or reach out to us for more information at sales@ohdglobal.com.